Let's discuss our next chapter. It's a motions of Earth. Like as we know about there's a two things, rotation and the revolution. Rotation is the movement of Earth on its axis. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. Like rotation is what? The movement of Earth on the axis, and the movement of Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. The axis of Earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66.5 Celsius with the orbital plane. Axis of Earth, which is the imaginary line, makes an angle of 63.5 with its orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit is known as orbital plane. The Earth receives the light from the Sun. Due to the spherical shape of the Earth, only half of its get uh, from the Sun at that time. The portion facing the Sun experiences the day, while the other halfway from the Sun experiences the night. The circle that divides the day from the night on the globe is called circle of illumination. The circle does not coincide with the axis as you see in the figure. The Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation, and around its axis, the period of rotation is called Earth. What would happen if the Earth not rotate? So revolution क्या होता है? The second motion of the Earth around the Sun in its orbit is called revolution. The second motion of the Earth around the Sun in its orbit is called revolution. It takes the 360 and 4 half days to revolve around the Sun. It consists of 365 days only. Ignore the 6 hours for the sake of convenience. 6 hours saved every year are added to make the one day for the span of years. And this surplus is added to the month of February. That's why we called this as a leap year. Earth is going around the Sun is elliptical orbit. Notice through the orbit, the Earth is inclined the same direction. A year is usually divided into summer, winter, spring, and autumn season. And the season changes due to the change in the position of the Earth. So here there's a concept like why there's a leap year. The rays of the sun on the tropic of Cancer as a result of the North Pole is inclined toward the sun. Uh, just a minute. The longest day and the shortest night at these places occur is 21st June. So the longest day in the India and the shortest night is the 21st June. At this time, Southern Hemisphere, all those conditions are reversed, and it is a winter season there. वहाँ पे इस time winter season start होता है. And the nights are longer than the days. This position of the earth is called summer solstice. Summer solstice. On the 22 December, the Tropic of Cancer received the direct ray of sun as the south pole tilt toward the its, and the sun rays fall vertical onto Tropic of Cancer. Therefore, it is a summer or in the southern hemisphere with the longer days and shorter nights. The reverse happens in the north hemisphere. The position of Earth is called winter solstice. So 22 December and the 21st June. On the 21st March and the 23 September, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted toward the sun. So the whole Earth is so the whole Earth experiences equal days and equal night. This is called the equinox. Eco equino equinox. Sorry, equinox. On the 23rd September, it's autumn season in the north hemisphere and the spring season in the south hemisphere. The opposite case the 21st. So this is one. So this is the end of the chapter 3. Let's continue in the next chapter.